Hello guys, for today's video, I demonstrate a safety measure, safety precaution, calibration, and checking involved in using a multimeter. What are you waiting for? Let's go! Again, so you can see we demonstrate the safety measure, safety precaution, and checking involved in using a multimeter. So first of all, we need to know the parts of multimeter. So this is scale, the resistance, the AC or DC voltage, the infinity knob, the range selector, and this is the positive and negative probe, and this is the pointers, this one, and this is a OHM adjuster. So before you take a measurement with multimeter, you should visual inspect it first. So we need to measure the RX10 here. So di man na siya zero, so let it adjust. Kanang matungod siya. So calibrated na siya, calibrated. So if you can duct to measure you do not touch the pin, so that you can measure it. By the way, if the multimeter is low bat, pwede na mo siyang i-screw dire. Paon ni mo battery. So pulihan man nimo. That's all and thank you.